Next question number 76. If a person has sold an article, selling price of the article is given. Profit is also given as 30%. So let us suppose cost price is 100%. Now profit is 30% on that one. So selling price will be 100 plus 30. 130% is equal to 1300. Then 100% is equal to, this is selling price and this is cost price. Suppose cost price is 100%. Now profit is 30% above that. 100 plus 30, 130. So the article is sold at 130% for 1300 rupees. Now what is the cost price? Means 1300 divided by, this is 130%. Now we are finding 100%. 0, 0, 13 ones are 1300. 100 into 10, 1000 rupees. The cost price of the article is 1000 rupees. Cost price is 100% and selling price is 30% above that. So if 130% is 1300, then 100% is 1000. The next question. Who said these words that one small step for man, one giant leap for a mankind? So this was told by Neil Armstrong when he put his leg on moon. When he landed on moon, he told that this one small step on the moon, this is a small step for a man, but this is very giant leap for a mankind. So for the mankind, this is very big leap because we are finding something on moon. We have landed on moon. So this was told by Neil Armstrong, who has put his first foot on the moon. He is the first person to keep his foot or leg on the moon. So Neil Armstrong told this one, that one small step for man, one giant leap for a mankind. Next, if Perk is coded as 5638, Blacken is coded as 4917862, what is the code for 7317896? So what is 7 here? 7. 1, 2, 3, fourth letter 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. It starts with C. So first one is wrong. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again fourth letter is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first is C. Fourth also C. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is correct. See here. First letter is C. 7. Second, third, fourth letter is also 7. So C, C. Both are C here. So correct it. Question number 79 is related to GST bill. So Goods and Services Tax bill introduced in Parliament in 2015. So what type of bill is it? Previously, before GST, there was VAT and other direct and indirect taxes. So for removing all this, they need a financial bill or not a money bill, a constitutional amendment bill or an ordinary bill. So for all these corrections, we need a constitutional amendment bill. So GST is a constitutional amendment bill, not an ordinary bill. So it is an amendment to the previous taxations. So previous taxations all cancelled. Now new taxation is GST, Goods and Services Tax. And which of the following agents is a purification agent of drinking water? So in drinking water purification, which agent is used from these? Catalytic agent, reducing agent, sterilizing agent or oxidizing agent. Generally for drinking water, for purification of drinking water, we use oxygen, addition of oxygen, ozonolysis like that. So oxidizing agent is added for purification of drinking water, not catalytic. Catalytic means fast process. Reducing, it is not reducing agent or sterilizing agent. This is oxidizing agent, addition of something to the drinking water for purification, oxidizing, use of oxygen in this one, ozonolysis process. World Environment Day is celebrated on. So World Environment Day is celebrated on, this is a direct question. This question is asked a lot of times in the previous exams also. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. So next, 82 to 84 is related to a sitting arrangement puzzle. 7 students, SYORHPI. are standing in a row. They are standing in a row. Y is second to the left of T and fifth to the left of I. So I have to write 7 students such that Y is second to the left of T. I'll write here. How many students are there totally? 7 students. Y is second to the left of T. Y is second to the left of T. To the left of T. 1, 2. Y is second to the left of T. And means Y. If it comes and here, then it goes to Y again. Y is fifth to the left of I. Y is fifth place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not fifth place. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y is fifth to the left of I. So this sentence also completed. The first sentence completed. Then second one. R is third to the right of S. So where can we write R and S? R is third position from S. Let us suppose this is S. 1, 2, 3. Here will be R. Then O is immediate left of R. To the left of R, immediately O is present. Now what is missing here? Third statement. Y is to the extreme left. Yes. Y is to the extreme left. Y, S, T, O, R, I. One thing is missing here. H is missing. So Y is extreme left end. Then H will be at the last. Because no gap in between. Y is at the left end. Then H place will be at the right end only. Now questions. Who is standing in the middle of the row? If I take 3 here, 3. So O is in the middle. Answer is O. In which of the following only one student is between them? Only one student is standing between them. H and T. H and T, 3 members are there. Wrong. T and S. T and S, side by side. Wrong. O and S. Yes, between O and S only one student is there. I and H, no student in between them. Wrong. Who is standing at the extreme right end? Who is at the extreme right end? H. The answer is H here. Next. With which country India shares longest border line? If you look at the Indian map, then you can see where the longest border is there for India. So, Indian border and the which country's border is sharing more means, if you look at the map, you will know that Bangladesh is sharing the longest border line with India. Then women's double champions for 2015. It is related to 2015 current affairs because the exam was conducted in 2016. So they asked about 2015 sports. International Tennis Federation has announced doubles champions. Who are the doubles champions here from among these 4? This is the current affair in that year. So the answer for this one is one Indian was there. So they asked the question. Martin Hingis and Sania Mirza is the right answer. They were announced as 2015 doubles champions by International Tennis Federation. The next question is Pushpa bought 2 dozen pens for 480. 2 dozen means 24 pens for 480. So each pen will be 20 rupees. So 2 dozens means 24. 24 pens, 480 rupees means each pen is 20 rupees. And sold 4 pens for 100. This is cost price. Selling price is 4 pens for 100 means each pen is 25 rupees. So he bought the pens at 20 rupees each and sold it for 25 each. So she got profit here. Bought at 20 and sold at 25. How much is the profit here? 20, 25 difference is 5 rupees is the profit divided by profit by cost price. 20 into 100. Profit percentage is equal to, this one is profit by cost price into 100. 21s are 25s are 5 5s are 25. Profit percentage is 25%. Option D is the right answer. So profit percentage or gain percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. So what is the profit here? 5 rupees profit divided by cost price is 20 into 100. 20 ones are 25s are gets cancelled. 5 5s are 25. Then look at the 88th question. This is from basic statistics. Find the range of the data. How to find out the range of the data? Range means maximum value minus minimum value, or largest number minus smallest number. Which is the biggest number among these? Biggest one, 19. Which is the smallest among these? Smallest one, 9. Yes, 9 is the smallest. Biggest is 19 and smallest is 9. So biggest number minus smallest number, the difference of these two numbers gives range. So biggest is 19 and smallest is 9. 19 minus 9 is 10. So option B is correct here. The 89th question is related to series. Look at this series. 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, dash 18. So all this, when I subtract 1 from this one, 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 1, 3, 6 minus 1, 5, 8 minus 1, 7, 12 minus 1, 11. This is prime number series. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Next one is 13. So 12 minus 1, here will be 14. 14 minus 1, 13. So this is like this. Prime numbers plus 1. This series is called as prime plus 1. First prime number is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Second prime number 3. 3 plus 1. 5 plus 1. 7 plus 1. 11 plus 1. 13 plus 1. Next prime number is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. So this is prime number plus 1 series. So the answer is option B, 14. World No Tobacco Day. So when is No Tobacco Day observed is 31st May is No Tobacco Day. Then expand A plus B whole cube formula. Formula for A plus B whole cube is A cube plus B cube, A cube plus B cube plus 3 A square B, A square into B plus 3A B square. The formula for A plus B whole cube is A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square. A is S and B is 2 here. Now what we get? We get S cube plus 2 cube is 8. So all options have S cube and 8. S cube 8, S cube 8. Then we need to find out this one. 3 2s are 6S square. Where is 6S square here? Here we don't find 6S square. Here also 6S square is not there. Next one is 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12s. 6S square 12s. So here we find 6S square and 12s. So option 3. C is correct. S cube plus 8 plus 6S square plus 12s. Then biotechnology means technology. Biotechnology means, what is the biotechnology? Use of living organisms in industrial processes. So use of technology in industries. Industrial processes, we are using living organisms. So that is called as biotechnology, is the study of living organisms and the use of living organisms in industrial process. What are the different things here? Technical study of bacteria, technical study of chemicals now, infusion of technology in human anatomy. Not all this. So biotechnology means use of living organisms in industrial processes. Next one. This is related to reasoning. Karan's number is 12th from the counter. So there is a counter from here. Karan is 12th place. So Karan is in 12th place. There are 5 people between Karan and Sunil. Between Karan and Sunil there are 5 people. Here is Karan 12th position and here Sunil. In between them 5 positions. 5 members are there. So after 12, 5 members. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 and Sunil will be 18th. 12 plus 5, 17 plus 1, 18. Sunil is in 18th position. Next, statements. Statements and conclusions. A bag has 2 white balls, 3 black balls, 4 red and 6 green balls. 2 balls are selected at random. Now what is the conclusion? First conclusion, the probability that a black ball is selected. So how many black balls? Total balls 2 plus 3 5, 9, 15. Out of 15 balls, how many black balls are there? We need to find black balls. How many black are there? 3 black balls. So 3 ones are 3 fives are. Answer is 1 by 5. Yes, first one is right. Then second one, the probability of getting a red ball. Red balls. How many red balls are there? 4 red balls. Out of total balls, 15. So the answer should be 4 by 15. But here 6 by 15 is given. So second one is wrong. Only conclusion 1 follows. Only first one is right here. The next question. Vikram and Vivek can finish a work in 50 days. They together can finish a work in 50 days. They worked together for 20 days and then left. How much work has been done by them? So out of 50 days work, they did 20 days. Out of 50 days, they did for 20 days. So the completed work is, how much work has been done by them? Completed work is 2 by 5th work. The next question. Here angle is asked here. Angle A. 75 degrees. Opposite angles are equal. If it is 75 here also, 75 inside. This is 40 degrees. Opposite angle will be 40. Vertically opposite angles. So 40, 40. Now 75 plus 40 is 75 plus 40. 115. So this angle will be 115. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So A becomes 115. Our exterior angle is equal to, this is exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. These two angles sum is 115. So angle A is equal to 115 degrees. This becomes a triangle here. Like this. This becomes exterior angle. One angle is 75, the other angle is 40. 40 here. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. 75 plus 40 is 115. Debugging. Bug. So any correction. Debugging means correcting. Is the process of rolling out of a software program, modifying, changing a software program, checking errors in a software program. So error is a bug. Error means bug. Debugging means checking errors in a software program is called as debugging. Next, 98th question. The 103rd Indian Annual Science Congress was held in the year, you know that this is 2016 current affairs. It was held on January 3rd, 2016. The 103rd Indian Annual Science Congress was held on January 3rd, 2016 in Mysore University. So answer is Mysore University. This was current affairs related to NTPC 2016. Then a tower of height 18 feet. There is a tower of height 18 feet. Is at a distance of 10 feet from a tree. Distance of 10 feet from a tree. Of height 6 feet. This is 6 feet. What is the length of its shadow? So what is the length of the shadow of the tree? We need to find out this length of shadow of this tree. So we use similar triangle concept. Bigger triangle. Adjacent sides are 18 by 10 plus x. So 18 divided by 10 plus x is equal to smaller triangle 6 by x. So I am taking opposite side by adjacent side. 18 by 10 plus x is equal to opposite side 6 by x. Now cross multiplication. 6 ones are 6 threes are gets cancelled. 1 here. 3 into x. 3x is equal to 10 plus x. 3x minus 1x is equal to 10. 3x minus 1x is 2x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So shadow of the tree is 5 feet. Shadow of the tree is 5 feet here. A small calculation. Opposite side by adjacent side is equal to opposite side by adjacent side of another triangle, because they are embedded in each other. 6 1 6 3 gets cancelled. 3 into x is 3x is equal to 10 plus x. 3x minus x is 2x is equal to 10, then x is equal to 5. Then last question, 100th question. Who was the chief guest on the occasion of 69th Independence Day? 69th Independence Day was on August 15, 2015. This is a current affair related to the previous year of NTPC 2016. The chief guest at that time was the President of USA.